Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. Pretty cool little graphic. You could call it a 3D star or you could call it a twisted triangle. There's two triangles. And if you'll take a screenshot of that right there when you're doing yours, it might save you some time. Now we need to take a 2-point line, and I'm going to use the parallel drawing tool, and I'm going to set it on so it's right there when you turn on your line. I'm going to set at 10 lines, 1.25 inches apart. Just make sure your lines are plenty long. Now they're not grouped together, so I'm going to group them together. Control G, and I'm going to hit P to put it in the center of the page. Control D and make a duplicate and rotate that line 60 degrees. I don't really think it matters, but I'm going to take this line again and Control D and rotate it a -60. Now immediately I can see a 6-sided polygon in there. So I'm going to take my virtual segment delete key and I'm going to delete those lines. There's my polygon. Now we need to go up, keep this 2 lines, and I'm just going to go up. And I think I need 2 and then 1 more, and then that one. And then from here, I need to go up. Well, I might have done something wrong. Okay, I need to cut out the. So there's those 2 lines that you need to cut out. Now I'm going to go ahead and group this together, Control G. And I'm not going to worry about filling that in because I'm working in the center of the page. I'm going to use a different color this time. I'm going to use this light blue. And now I can move. You could either leave this lines or just move it out of the way because we're working in the center of the page. And then if you look, the outside has dark going out and the inside has dark going in. So we're going to take the outside first, go to interactive fill tool. No, I did the opposite. I want to go this way. And I'm going to put a little dark up here. You don't want too much. Just make it look like it's shadowed. Now this one, we're going to go the other way and put a little dark at the bottom. And that's probably about right. Now I'm going to group this together, Control G, Control D to duplicate it, Alternate C to have it rotate from the center and rotate it 60 degrees. Control D, Control D, Control D. I mean, it can't get much easier than that. We take in our black box. The black box really makes it stand out because you can see the shadow. That's pretty easy, but you're going to seriously need to take a screenshot to help you along when you're, because you can't just keep going back and forth in my video. But if you'll take a screenshot of basically that right there is all you really need. Anyway, I hope that helps somebody someday, and thank you for watching.